So welcome back to TAC Pack Tuesday, our second TAC Pack for the month of February, because in January's TAC Pack, I was at SHOT Show. So now this one just came in. Want to thank TAC Pack for sending this out to us. This is the TAC Pack Plus. We're also going to rate the TAC Packs as they come in now. So we're going to tell you in a 1 through 5 how much we actually enjoyed that specific TAC pack or felt that the gear was really good. And we'll also, as usual, explain the one item we thought was the most valued to us, not necessarily the most valuable item, because the plus item is inherently the most valuable item, but there's some things we like better. Starting with February's TAC pack, we actually have this, the Pew Tools. This is actually really cool. The Pivot Pin Installer, the PPI, makes assembling the AR-15 lower quicker and safer. By using the PPI, you will no longer risk mauling your lower or damaging your spring. This comes with 2 extra pins and an extra spring. And they let you scan it for instructions on how to properly use this. But overall, a very useful tool. I'll try to put links for all items in the description down below. The next item is the BS Systems Type 23 grip. Now, this is obviously in the rare earth color scheme, but it comes in black, rare earth, coyote brown, OD green, and wolf gray. Now, I have checked this out already. I pulled it out, and it's actually really nice. It's a good grip. I have grips coming out of my ears, lots of them. But what I really like about this grip is the texturing on the grip. Sometimes you'll get texturing, and the texturing is like, makes it even worse to hold because it's, it's really slippery. God, this texture is really rock solid. I really like the texture on this grip a lot. So we will be putting this on one of our builds. This is obviously for AR-15s, but it will probably fit many other things, including my Ruger precision rifle and my Ruger 1022. And it comes with the installation bolt there. So that's very nice. It's not a bad grip at all. I mean, you can always use more grips, right? The next item is our Mission First Mag Release, and that's right here. So the Mission First Mag Release makes it a little bit easier. It becomes this big old mag release on the side, as you can see right there. So I guarantee this is going on one of our builds in the upcoming future here. So we got that. We have chamber safety flag, also from Mission First. So if you can see here, you put the safety flag all the way down the chamber and out the side to show that your system, your weapon is clear. These are always really kind of neat, useful to have. Some places require them, so that wasn't too bad. I'm not sad about this one at all. The next thing we have is our Infinite Defense Target. Now, I love these because this one is a secret squirrel. Squirrel. So you have these. You can set it up. You can have the black side or the tan side. And these are self-healing targets. So always a great thing to have here. This is for AR-15s and 223s, 5.56. It says it'll take almost any caliber. Don't use hollow points on these. It'll chew it up. You want to use, regular, like, solid points. But for 22s, this will last probably about 1,000 rounds, my guess. Super happy about having this. There is a QR code if you want to quickly take a picture of it. And that's for $20 off your next purchase. So check that out. Now, this is the plus item here. We'll show the sticker first. This sticker is the great Tony the Tiger, if you remember him from Serial. Once again, we will be giving these stickers away in the upcoming months, so please remember to subscribe and watch for that. So this is the big plus item. The value of this is $170, and the one that's in here is this one right here. Just to show it, the NBA 3. That is the one that we got. So it's adjustable here, adjustable there, and the cheek pull. So let's open it up. All right, so let's take a look at this. It's obviously adjustable, so you can adjust the cheek pull. Everything's adjustable. And then there's little screws right here and here that allow you to adjust this. Very, very nice, very useful. What I don't like about it is this part right here. This is rock solid plastic. It would have been nice if it was a cushion. I mean, I love the fact there's a Picatinny reel at the bottom there, so I can install, you know, a slide for my bag. I love that it's adjustable, but this pad right here is garbage. Super rock hard plastic, which means if I wanted to use this on like larger calibers, this isn't gonna cut it. But overall, this is really cool. I like everything about it, but that part there, but I can change that part there out if I need to. Pretty nice device. Like I said, the retail on that is $170. So let me rate the box so far. There's quite a few useful tools in here. Bunch of things that I'll probably use. I really love the buttstock there, although I'm disappointed in this part here because there's like no cushion. Now, if you're using AR-15s with like, you know, 223s, no big deal. This is going to be fine. But, you know, if you're going to try to use like an AR-10, and you know, if you're going to do 223s, 450 Bushmasters, even a 6.5 Creedmoor, any recoil is going to be hard with this. This is just solid plastic. There's no give in this. So that's the only thing I don't like about this. I love this, don't like that. But aside from that, thank you for watching our TAC Pack Tuesday for the month of February. And can't wait to see what's in next month's TAC Pack. All right, we'll see you in March.